Hello everyone! Today I wanted to show you a journal I made for my mom. So this journal is got like a forest theme. I made these. I really like this paper bead with a little leaf. A little bit of everything. So it's got quite a lot of greens and browns and a bit of purple. It's got only one signature, and here you can open with a bread. So here goes. First pocket, of course, and I made these three things to just put on pages, like book pages. Here's the first pocket with a little simple tab. This is a watercolor I made myself, so it's a forest. I hope you can tell, and I sew the watercolor to the page. So I really like it when there's things happening on these pages, so I usually put quite a lot of decorations. This is a little folder. This paper is some eco printing I made, and this I will put the description to how I did this underneath. This is an actual leaf that I stuck to the page. I really like this. I think it's gorgeous. And here is something about the forest. Of course, you've probably heard I'm French, and my mother is too. So this is all in French. These are actual really old pages from a book that I got from my boyfriend's grandmother. She gave me so many. This is from really old. I don't know if you have this. It's like little books where you write your homework. So it's really old. Put two different ones. I love this. I got this from it's like a bullet journal, but black. I thought that was really cool. This is from a book on flowers that I really like too. This is from the I forgot the name of the brand. I'll put it in the description as well. Here we go. And so this is the middle of the signature. It's quite a lot of pages. $22 pages. So that's 44 pages in total. I really like this little guy here, little folder with a button. And I got these amazing little fern stamps. I can also put the description if you like. Just let me know, whatever you want. Oops. I really like to sew, so this is some sequins to add a little bit of depth and interest. This is the other page from the eco print. So this is actually the end of my eco print paper. It's I didn't put any leaves. This is actually just onion skins, but I thought it was really, really nice. My other eco prints turned out really, really fun. I didn't expect it. I mean, you have all the prints from the paper. It's really nice. Okay, so this is a little folder I made from envelopes, and I thought I would just add it. Really like this one. So this is from a really old plant book as well, and of course I put the name of the plant. This is a little one I made with a house and some wood. And this one is my favorite. Here. They're called tits, I think, in English. In French, it's mésange. I really like birds. And here. And last, I made a little pocket with some jute. Oh, and of course I put one with a little bit of lace that I really like. And that's the end. So I put another pocket here, of course. And this is actually a cardboard from like a cornflakes pack. I put a bit of cloth to make it stronger. And here it is. So I actually made like 6 of these. They're all different, of course, in the inside, but like they all have this watercolor and they all have the pockets, and they're basically the same. It's just the decorations are different, and they all have the eco print paper, but this time they have some prints about leaves on top, and they all have this also with the leaf, but all the leaves are different. So if you're interested, just let me know. I really enjoyed this. I really like to make them for somebody, so knowing a little bit more about this person, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.